Almost every startup today is a SaaS company, from the tools you use at work to the apps you pay for each month. It's the default business model of the internet. But in Web3, SaaS doesn't just deliver software, it delivers ownership. And nowhere is that shift clearer than on Solana, a chain that clocked 15 months of uptime, processes 99 million transactions a day, and powers 1 million wallets. For SaaS founders, that's a dream. Speed, scalability, and upside built into the rails. Now, everything a founder needs is already present on Solana. On the infra side, players like Helius, GenesysGo, Triton, QuickNode, and Syndica have moved beyond endpoints to APIs, webhooks, and indexing. Indexers like SolanaFM, Unmarshal, Flipside, Pyth, and others translate raw chain data into dashboards for wallets, trading apps, and explorers. Not to mention, wallets are evolving into super apps. Phantom Mint multi-chain, Solflare focuses on UX and security, and Backpack is building an app marketplace with XNFTs. Launchpads split two ways, Pump.fun for viral token generation, and Magic Eden, Solanium, StarLaunch for structured DeFi and GameFi launches. Now bridges and ramps like Wormhole, Mayan, Allbridge, Nitro are the highways. Wormhole connects 23 plus chains, Mayan uses Circle's CCTP, and Nitro already crossed $1 billion plus volume. For treasuries, Squads powers DAOs with governance and multi-signatures. Streamflow automates payroll and vesting, while Token 2022 extension unlocks compliance and RWAs. And maybe this is the reason why institutions like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton are here. Now, at the dev layer, Anchor is still the go-to, with Solang and Seahorse maturing slowly. And looming ahead is Firedancer, Jump's validator's client benchmarked at over 1 million DPS. Honestly, Solana SaaS has gone beyond hype. By mid-2025, the network processes over 99 million transactions a day, with developer growth up to 83%. Institutions like Franklin Templeton, BlackRock, and Vanek have already tokenized funds live. And even the CME has listed Solana futures. Honestly, it's not without gaps. Developer tooling still lacks polish, onboarding can be fragmented, and the mobile ecosystem is thin. But those are not the problems, they are opportunities. Compliance for RWAs, AI-powered dev assistance, and mobile SDKs for native apps. It's all waiting to be built on Solana. And what feels like friction today could become the billion-dollar SaaS of tomorrow. Web2 SaaS reshaped the internet. Web3 SaaS on Solana is about to reshape the ownership itself. And what are you waiting for? The next $1 million SaaS on Solana could be yours.